Hello, good day. Just making a video on the overview. So in this section is the kitchen. Ideally, I would like to have the same tiles in the kitchen and the bedroom, and then a different tile for the bathroom. But I'm willing, once I look at your selection, then I have a better idea. Yes? So this is the first floor, and then this is the upper floor. So the upper floor, I want to do different tiles. So once I see a selection, I think it would go better than I have an idea of everything. Yes, I want to preferably have bigger tiles, because then it would be less labor for me. And also in the bathroom, I want to have bigger tiles. I want to see if I think I saw it in your commercial, the tile that I like. It has like a marble look. So I have that, and also I have an example of a tile I like. I'm not sure if you have it, but I'm willing to look at your selection and choose from there.